Hello students, this is the unit 1. Nice to meet you in the new level A2. So let's start. This is a review, very fast review. Do you remember this? Nice to meet you too. My name is Ricardo. My name is Juanito. This is important. Learn language. Okay, we have different things to do. It's not very complicated. Watch a video, but the important thing is this: the cognates. What is a cognate? Do you remember the cognates? Okay, I will tell you in a moment. So in this picture, who is giving personal information and who is receiving personal information? The person, obviously, it's the person A and the person B. She is giving personal information and receiving it. He is giving the personal information and receiving it as well. In a job interview, this person is giving the personal information and these people are receiving. And what about here? Who is giving and who is receiving personal information? So obviously they are receiving personal information and this person is giving. Give personal information, person A, receive person B. So this page is not very complicated. It's just a review. Work in pairs. Hello, my name is Anthony. Oh, hello Anthony, nice to meet you. I am Jenna. So for this page, don't do it. This is just a review of nice to meet you too. So don't worry about this page, okay? But the important thing is about cognates. The cognates. What are cognates? Do you remember the cognates? Let's check the cognates. Look, cognates. What are cognates, my friends? Cognates are similar words in English and in Spanish. What is a cognate? Cognate are similar words in English and in Spanish. For example, we have true cognates. For example, satisfaction in Spanish, satisfacción. Car, carro. Computer, computadora. False, falso. But we also have false cognates. For example, arm in Spanish, it's not arma. Or realize in Spanish, it's not realizar. Grocery in Spanish is not grosería. Arm in Spanish is brazo. Arm in Spanish is brazo. Yeah, so that is arm in Spanish. Realize. What is realize in Spanish? Realize in Spanish is darse cuenta. Yeah, in grocery it's not grosería. Grocery it's abarrotes o despensa. So in English we have, for example, similar. It's true or a false cognate. Obviously it's a true cognate. Word, it's not a cognate. English, it's a true cognate. English, Spanish, it's a true cognate. In English, 90% of the words that are similar in Spanish are true cognates and only 10% are false. So be careful, check these cognates with the context. Chequenlo con el contexto. For example, if your friend says, I went to the grocery store. ¿Fuiste a la tienda de groserías? Espera, eso no tiene sentido. Probablemente grocery signifique otra cosa. Be careful with that, my friends, okay? If it makes no sense, si no tiene sentido la oración, probablemente la palabra sea un cognado falso. So, the important thing about this is similar words in English generalmente son lo mismo que en español. Generalmente, not always, okay? I hope that you understand about cognates. Let's continue, my friends. Now we are going to continue with the page number 10. We need to continue with the page number 10. This is the page number 10. We need to continue with this. Sorry, give me a second. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, this is the next page. This is the page number 10, okay? This is the next page. Let's start. My friends, contact people. This is, who is it for? Who is it for? ¿Para quién es? For students of English. Who is it for? ¿Para quién es? This is like an imaginary web page for you to be friends with other people. For example, in these spaces, please complete this with your personal information. What's your first name? What's your last name? What is the question for country? Do you remember where are you from? What's your email address? What's your telephone number? What's your username? What's your password? And this is imaginary. Invent this. Invent. Please don't write a personal password. Okay? So this is just very simple, but I need a picture of this. This is homework. Yes? This is homework. I need a WhatsApp picture. This is homework. I need a WhatsApp picture for this information. Let's continue, my friends. Today it's a very simple class, okay? Now, complete the survey. Do you remember survey? Do you remember what survey is? Okay, we need to continue on page 11. My friends, personal profile survey. Okay, this is a survey, una encuesta for students. I am an English student in a school, college, and a language institute. The idea of this is that you circle first, circle the cognates. First, circle the cognates. Primero encierren los cognados. For example, school se parece a escuela, enciérrenlo. College se parece a colegio, sí, pero esto es uno falso. College es university, pero enciérrenlo. Language, otro cognado, lenguaje. Institute, instituto, another one, enciérrenlo. Fun, ese no es un cognado. Work, no es un cognado. Academic, académico. Studies, estudios. Student, estudiante. English. So circle all the cognates, my friend. Yeah. When you finish, the second part is that you complete the survey. The second part is that you complete the survey with your information. For example, I am an English student in, for example, Practical Language Center. It's a language institute. The next one, reason for studying English. David, Monse, Noralba, I don't know, Edwin, Samantha, Anabel. For what reason, Karina, Janet, for what reason do you study English? Academic studies, work, or fun? Okay, then you continue. So we have two activities, this, okay, only here, okay, this is not the homework, only this is important. Please send a picture of this. Okay, and this is the homework in the homework book. You know, it's in the back part of your book. It's the page number 4. It's recognizing cognates. Read the text and circle the cognates. You only have to circle the cognates. For example, the student, and that's it. Match the word from the text to the correct meaning. French, a language. And this is an important letter C. You have to write 4 more English words that are cognates in your language. For example, paper. Paper is similar to papel, probably. I don't know. Investigate. You can read your book. There are many cognates, okay? So this is not homework. The homework is only section 1, reading. Okay, my friends, thank you. And let's continue with this level. Continue working. Bye.